Here in America, we are extremely fortunate to have one of the most sophisticated and most respected bankruptcy codes throughout the world. The American Bankruptcy Code does an excellent job of balancing the needs of debtors, persons or corporations who are facing serious financial problems, against the needs of their creditors, who may also be persons or corporations needing to be repaid on their debts. Hi, I'm Karen Consoleo. I'm a lecturer here in the Legal Studies Department at UCF, and I regularly teach bankruptcy law to our students and students from other majors. Why should you take bankruptcy law? Well, there's quite a few reasons. One, bankruptcy law is a core component of life in American society, and in fact, the right to bankruptcy is embedded in the U.S. Constitution. Many famous people, ranging from Stan Lee to Donald Trump to Walt Disney, and you see here on the screen a number of other people, have taken advantage of one of the chapters of the Bankruptcy Code. The other reason bankruptcy law is such a wonderful class for students to take is because that in any economic downturn, paralegals, legal assistants, and attorneys who know bankruptcy law are in really high demand. And when you think that we've had two significant economic downturns just in the last 15 years, one caused by the collapse of the housing bubble and the other caused by the shutdowns due to COVID, you realize that economic downturns are fairly common and that this field of law can really provide a great source of income and a buffer against financial uncertainty when you practice in the legal field during an economic downturn. Another reason students may want to take bankruptcy law is because it is a wonderful field in which to actually help people. When you represent a client in bankruptcy law, what you are doing is helping them get out from under a very stressful, very difficult financial burden that if they can't get out from under it, they can't go on to achieve further success in life. That feeling, that reward of helping a person is really something special, and you don't get that in every field of law. In this class, we'll cover a couple different elements of bankruptcy law. Of course, we'll go over the basics that you need to know to practice in any field of bankruptcy law. But we'll also cover the three primary chapters which set forth the three primary types of bankruptcy. Those are Chapter 7, Chapter 11, and Chapter 13. And we'll learn about how these different types of bankruptcies can be used by different types of individuals, different corporations, and have different parameters and different benefits. Students really tend to like studying bankruptcy law and the format of this bankruptcy law class because it's very straightforward and the law itself is relatively easy to understand. I hope that you'll consider taking bankruptcy and join me next semester, and I look forward to seeing you then.